Hi, my name is Ziko. I'm a technical specialist at Pico Technology. We're pleased to showcase the new PicoLog 6 data logging software. It's designed from the ground up, it's feature-packed, intuitive to use, with minimal setup. It includes all the great features that the previous PicoLog software packaging had, but it also includes a few other tricks up its sleeve, like graph notes and annotations, the use of digital outputs and alarms, and a virtually unlimited data capture size. It also includes a robust database file format that minimizes data loss and corruption. It works with all our existing USB data loggers on sale today, and not only does it work on Windows 32-bit and 64-bit, but it also works on Mac OS and Linux. Let's download the software from our webpage. Don't worry if you don't have a device, you can run it in demo mode. So if you go to www.picotech.com, then select Downloads, and if we scroll down and go to PicoLog Data Loggers, choose a device, we'll choose a TC08 in this case, then select PicoLog 6, and then download PicoLog 6. Once the software is downloaded, just double click on the software. Choose your language. It's available in a number of languages. For the purposes of this video, we'll choose English. Click on OK. Agree. The default location is C Program Files Pico Technology, but you can change that location. Click on Install. I'll untick Run PicoLog and then click on Finish. And you'll see now that the PicoLog shortcut appears on the desktop.